Hey guys, I just want to show you something. A while back somebody had mentioned that they wanted to see if I could build the American Striker armored personnel carrier. So I looked it up to see what it looked like. I think this is a pretty good rendition of it. It's got the 8 wheels like one does, the beveled front. This one's armed with 4 tow missiles. This one has the standard turret on top. I didn't do anything really complicated to generate this, and I think it turned out pretty neat, and it's pretty simple to make. If anybody's interested, let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial for this, and I'll put one together. But I just want to show you this Striker. Fire some missiles. Psh,